In the world of heavy-duty pickup trucks, engine news spreads fast. But every once in a while, an announcement arrives that truly shocks the entire industry. That's exactly what happened when the CEO of Ford Motor Company recently hinted at a new monster diesel engine plan for 2027. For decades, diesel engines have been the backbone of the heavy-duty truck market in North America. Major brands like Ford Motor Company, Ram Trucks, and General Motors have battled fiercely to produce the most powerful, durable, and capable diesel powertrains for work trucks. But Ford's latest hint suggests the next chapter of this competition could be far more dramatic than anyone expected. Truck enthusiasts immediately flooded online forums, YouTube channels, and social media. After hearing about the potential 2027 Ford diesel engine, many were shocked by the possibility that Ford could introduce something significantly more powerful than today's already impressive diesel engines. Industry analysts say this move could reshape the heavy-duty truck segment entirely. If the rumors are true, Ford may be preparing to launch a diesel engine that pushes power, torque, and towing capability to completely new levels. To understand why this announcement matters so much, it helps to look at Ford's diesel heritage. For years, the legendary Power Stroke engines have been among the most respected powertrains in the heavy-duty truck world. Today's Ford Super Duty trucks use a 6.7-liter Power Stroke V8. This engine is known for delivering massive torque and incredible towing capability. In its latest configuration, it produces over 500 horsepower and more than 1,200 pounds-ft of torque. Those numbers already place Ford near the top of the heavy-duty segment. The engine allows Super Duty trucks to tow enormous trailers, haul extreme payloads, and perform demanding commercial work every day. But according to experts, Ford may not be satisfied with simply staying competitive. Instead, the company may be preparing to rewrite the rules of diesel truck performance. During a recent interview discussing Ford's future truck strategy, the CEO hinted that the company is developing a new diesel powertrain for 2027. While full specifications weren't revealed, several key clues sparked massive speculation. The CEO emphasized three major priorities: massive increases in torque, greater durability for commercial use, next-generation efficiency and emissions technology. Those points might sound typical for a diesel update. However, what caught the industry's attention was the language used during the interview. Terms like monster capability, next-level performance, and a new benchmark for heavy-duty trucks were repeatedly mentioned. Automotive journalist Michael Reiner explained it this way: when executives start using words like monster or benchmark, it usually means the engine represents a major leap forward, not just a routine upgrade. The timing of Ford's potential diesel launch is especially interesting. The automotive world is rapidly moving toward electrification. Ford itself has already introduced the electric Ford F-150 Lightning, but heavy-duty work trucks are far more difficult to electrify. Diesel engines still dominate this segment for several important reasons: long-distance towing capability, fast refueling compared to charging extremely high torque for heavy loads, proven durability in harsh environments for industries like construction, agriculture, and long-distance hauling. Diesel power still offers unmatched practicality. That's why automakers haven't stopped investing in diesel technology. Ford appears to recognize this reality by developing a next-generation diesel engine. The company could ensure that its Ford Super Duty trucks remain dominant for years to come. Although Ford hasn't released official numbers yet, analysts believe the 2027 engine could dramatically exceed current performance levels. Some projections suggest targets such as 550 to 600 horsepower, 1,300 to 1,400 pounds-ft of torque, even greater towing capacity than today's trucks. If these numbers become reality, it could become the most powerful factory diesel engine ever offered in a pickup truck. Achieving that kind of performance would require significant engineering innovations. Experts believe Ford could introduce advanced multi-stage turbocharging, higher fuel injection pressure systems, improved cooling technologies, stronger internal engine components, next-generation emissions control systems. Combining all of these improvements while maintaining reliability would be a massive engineering challenge, but Ford has a long history of pushing limits in the heavy-duty truck segment. Ford's rumored monster diesel doesn't exist in isolation. The heavy-duty truck segment is currently in what many analysts call a diesel power war. Every major manufacturer is trying to outdo the others in torque, towing capacity, and durability. For example, General Motors offers the powerful Duramax 6.6L diesel. Meanwhile, Ram Trucks relies on the legendary Cummins B-Series England 6 diesel. Each engine has built an incredibly loyal fan base. In this market, even small increases in power or towing capacity can make a huge difference. If Ford truly launches a monster diesel in 2027, it could trigger another major escalation in the diesel arms race. While higher horsepower numbers are exciting, heavy-duty truck buyers care about something even more important: long-term reliability. Many commercial operators expect their trucks to run hundreds of thousands of miles under extremely demanding conditions. That means Ford will likely spend years testing the new engine before release. Typical durability testing includes extreme temperature testing, high-load towing simulations, long-distance endurance, testing emissions, compliance verification. Only after surviving these brutal tests would the engine be considered ready for production. Even while developing new diesel technology, Ford continues investing heavily in electrification. Some experts believe the future of heavy-duty trucks could involve hybrid diesel-electric systems. Such systems could offer benefits like better fuel efficiency, instant electric torque for acceleration, lower emissions in urban areas. While Ford hasn't confirmed these plans, the idea of combining diesel power with electric assistance is becoming increasingly interesting. If Ford's monster diesel becomes reality, it will likely power the next generation of Ford's Super Duty trucks. That lineup includes models like E-250, F350, F450. These trucks serve contractors, farmers, fleet operators, and serious towing enthusiasts. A new high-output diesel could push their capabilities even further, potentially setting new records for maximum towing capacity, payload capability, engine torque output. Such improvements would strengthen Ford's position as a leader in the heavy-duty truck market. For now, the rumored 2027 monster diesel engine remains largely a mystery. Ford hasn't released official specifications yet, and many details are still speculative. But one thing is certain: the company has already captured the attention of truck enthusiasts around the world. If Ford delivers on these hints, the next generation of diesel trucks could be more powerful, more capable, and more advanced than anything we've seen before. And for truck fans, that possibility alone is incredibly exciting.